This is a fully automatic turntable from Sony for vinyl records. It's a throwback item. So if you still listen to vinyl records, or if you are just getting started, this is a great option as it requires minimum effort for setting up. It's a manual, again, it's a manual record player. Oh, actually has a nice illustration of how everything can come together and set up. We got the platter, the looks like we have the accessories, the needle, and the main unit. Let's take a look. This is the turntable mat. Nothing. Well, there's not even a Sony logo. I was kind of expecting a logo, but that's quite a minimum. It's very Sony. This packaging is just, that was phenomenal. Well, very well done. Oh, that's the drive belt with the little tab there. We got the user manual. More accessories on the side and a adapter for older records. This is to for the larger holes. Yeah, I don't have these old records, so probably won't be able to use it. We're getting this unit. Be prepared to do a lot of cutting using the utility knife. Yeah, all the parts are carefully organized. Well, the attention to details. This is to install the dust cover. I bet this is the unit. Yeah, AC adapter unit. It is rated at 12 volts, 0.8 amps. It's quite lightweight. It's all plastic. I'm going to zoom in so you can see the internals. We have start, stop, and up and down for the needle action. For this arm, I shouldn't have pressed that because it was secured using that thing, that strap. We got the gain, low, mid, and high, phono, and line out. This RCA cable is attached. It's not user removable. It can also be connected to a computer to export the audio signal to turn the to digitalize the vinyl record. There's an on-off switch and standing by mode. The RCA cable would be used to connect to the stereo system or the receiver or active speakers. I think this cable is about 5 feet long. Okay, let's get it installed. By using, okay, let's secure this thing a little bit. By using this kind of a belt-driven system, it minimizes noise compared to a direct drive system. Okay. Notice this design, we just grab this tape and pull. It should not be bended. Okay. The installation is pretty simple, straightforward. Now we'll put this belt on. And I'll remove this cover, the needle cover. I guess I'll remove it last. That's very important to avoid damage. Now this insert. For the dust cover. Beautiful. It is fully padded. I noticed 2 rubber pads on the left and right. There's a pairing button. It supports Bluetooth. And this thing is designed for holding the old records, so I'm gonna save it. Most of the time I will not be using it. The power. When it's standing by, not consuming any electricity or not noticeable. Gonna stop. Remove the needle. Don't have a record yet. I have a large collection, but I don't have a vinyl record here. So let me just quickly demo how this may work. One press and it will automatically go there and put the needle down. Of course, I'm gonna raise it since I don't have any record on top. Yeah, pretty nice unit.